thanks for watching. So today's really exciting. We're opening up a brand new box. This is called Heart and Honey, and I've heard great things about it, so I can't wait to see what is inside. Since it's a new box, I did pull up their website so we can learn a little bit more about it. So Hive and Honey is a sexual wellness and intimacy subscription box for women and their partners. So it does have an adult theme, but it's more about like wellness, I've heard, and it's not anything too raunchy, but just want to let you guys know in case you don't want to watch this content or you're young or whatever, here's your disclaimer. So before we talk more about the box and get to the unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We have a giveaway ending any day now. I'm not sure exactly when this video is going up, but I know that giveaway is ending about a week from the day I'm filming this. So point being, if you haven't entered yet, definitely do so. I will link my giveaway at the end of this video so you can check it out next. If you haven't entered, please do so. It is a giveaway for hitting 10,000 subscribers. It's a big thank you to you guys for your love and support. You guys are the best and you deserve it. But back to Heart and Honey. So they offer several different subscription options, one called Bumblebee, one Queen Bee, and one called Couples. I believe they sent me the Queen Bee subscription, and it says our Queen Bee box starts at $69.99 and contains a luxury sex toy and accessory plus 2 to 4 premium sexual and lifestyle products. All products complement a monthly wellness theme that promotes vitality and passion. And it looks like you could save a decent amount of money if you pay for multiple months at a time. The box is shipped very discreet and it just says it's from H&H. I actually had to open it a little bit to make sure I was opening the right box, but I didn't peek at anything. Look, it's all still sealed. So there's a little sticker in there. It says really small Heart and Honey, so that's how I knew. And it says Aloha. And something smells really good. So I guess Aloha's a theme. I think they package this so well. So on the back it says, if you were to ask someone in Hawaii, what does aloha mean to you? You may receive a variety of answers. Aloha is an essence of being, love, peace, compassion, and a mutual understanding of respect. Aloha means living in harmony with the people and land around you, living with mercy, sympathy, grace, and kindness. When greeting another person with aloha, there is a mutual regard and affection. This extends with warmth and caring for the other with no obligation to receive anything in return. The direct translation from Hawaiian to English is the presence of divine breath. As we close out on an unusual summer, what better farewell could there be than aloha? And then it talks more about the products they chose inside. Ooh, it must be what smells good. So there's some like bath products right on top. Oh my god, this is what smelled so good. Hibiscus Hawaiian bar soap. So pretty too, and it says kukui and coconut oil. I'm not sure what that word is. K-U-K-U-I. And it's by Maui Soap Co. And look how pretty this is. Oh, I just want to smell it. But hold up for a second. On the back it says their soaps are 100% vegan, phthalate free, and paraben free, enriched with natural tropical fruit extract, vegetable glycerin, and made fresh in small batches. It smells so good. I actually just finished a bar soap in my shower, so I'm gonna put this in there next. I have so many, but this is seriously, it smells so good. And then next, Aloha Coconut Milk Body Mist. God, I love the packaging, so pretty. I love like tropical colors and everything, tropical scents too. Oh my god, it smells like the beach. It's very coconutty. Oh my god, this seriously takes you to somewhere tropical. I mean, I live in a tropical environment, but it reminds me of vacation. Next, we have something in this cute little box. A little bow. I feel like everything's very reflective. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. We have a necklace here. I love it. How pretty is that? I think that is so pretty. Hopefully you guys could see that. Oh my god, it's such a little delicate flower on there and some gemstones. This is gorgeous. Yeah, it says they included a delicate reminder of a beautiful place. The Aloha pendant, 925 sterling silver under a warm rose gold plate. This dainty pendant features crystal and shell accents. You can almost hear the waves. Ooh, and I love that it's actual sterling silver. I know that's really important to a lot of you. And the rose gold with that pink. Oh, I love this. Oh, I need to put it on. But let's move on. Ooh. So we have our toy. This looks awesome. This is a Satisfier Vibes Yummy Sunshine toy. The name goes really well with the theme. So if the best of a sunny Hawaiian afternoon was packaged into a vibrating dill, it would be the Yummy Sunshine by Satisfier. It is pleasurably curved vibe that pampers you with its sensually ribbed structure, inclined tip, and deep vibration. In a perky yellow with a smooth touch surface, it will give you intense climaxes, making your sunshine for days. It's USB rechargeable, high quality silicone, and waterproof. The Yummy Sunshine comes with a 15-year guarantee. Wow. It must be good if they give that long of a guarantee. 15 years, whoa. And then the last item in here, oh, this is another bath product, again, beautiful, by Maui Soap Company. So, oh, it's the same company that made the soap we got, and this is Maui Kiss Hawaiian. Or, this looks great. Oh, and there's something on here. It says 5% of their profits are donated to save Hawaiian wildlife. That is amazing. I love products that give back. So this is made with organic aloe vera, green tea, antioxidants, and moisturizing avocado oil. It absorbs quickly to help replenish and protect skin against dehydration for a soft, healthy, luminous complexion. Let's just smell it. Oh, there's a safety seal. Smells so good. Oh my god, you guys, this box was great. I think this is so wonderful. Like, you can see it, like, it's not like, you know, gaudy or anything. You get beautiful bath products, a fun toy, and a beautiful piece of jewelry, and they did so well sticking to their Aloha theme. I get the rave. Like, I've heard like other unboxing channels like talk about how they love this, and I'm so happy they sent it to me, so thank you. And thank you guys for being here and unboxing this with me. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Of course, they will be linked if you want to subscribe, and yeah. Thank you guys again. Thank you to my channel members. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there is always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and join if you wish. But if you can't support the channel that way, I totally understand. Just by being here and watching is super helpful, and I appreciate you so much. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.